To remove audio from a video in the Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app. Open the video you'd like to remove its sound. Tap the pencil icon or edit icon at the bottom of the video. Tap audio icon. And then slide the video volume adjustment bar to the leftmost. Now tap Save Copy to save the edited video to a new video. To see the result, open the edited video. As you can see, the sound icon of the video cannot be turned on, which means this video no longer has audio. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.